On the northwest coast of England lies the seaside town of Blackpool, my hometown, and the place where one of the world's oldest amusement parks first came to life, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Long before Walt Disney built Disneyland, this British park had already become a landmark of early themed entertainment, blending theatre, illusion, and mechanical wonder in a way that captivated generations. And in 1905, the park unveiled one of its most enduring creations, river caves. A gentle, dark boat ride built at a time when electric lighting still felt wondrous. Guests drifted through glowing caverns filled with ancient Egypt, lost jungles, dinosaurs, and forgotten civilizations. This was part of a new style of attraction known as river caves, the early ancestors of the modern dark ride. While Disneyland's Imagineers may not have studied this exact ride, attractions like river caves were part of the very tradition that inspired Disney's later masterpieces. These early dark boat adventures paved the way for what would eventually become legendary experiences like Pirates of the Caribbean. The slow drift through shadowed tunnels, atmospheric lighting, sets rising out of water. River Caves was doing this decades before Pirates ever set sail. For my American viewers, it's worth knowing that Blackpool Pleasure Beach played a quiet but meaningful role in theme park history. Disney's own team visited Blackpool during the 1950s while researching ideas for Disneyland, and Walt Disney himself later granted the park permission to create its own version of Alice in Wonderland. The connection between the two parks is real, even if wrapped in a bit of folklore. So as we glide through this 120-year-old attraction, we're not just riding a piece of Blackpool's past, we're stepping into a living chapter of theme park history. A rare survivor from the early days of storytelling rides, still echoing with over 100 years of memories. This is River Caves.
Carved over the sandstone cliff on the west bank of the Nile stand the temples of the Abu Simbel. They remained unknown to the outside world until their discovery in 1813. Built by the Egyptian king Ramses II, these colossal statues are the most spectacular example of the art of ancient Egypt.
A lot of weight.